Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for my Boxycharm unboxing. So today I've got another Boxycharm box that I have not opened before I'm filming it. So this just came in the mail and I just did my eyeshadow. I wanted to play with my new Davina shadows. So this is the look I have and it's with all my new Davina shadows that I just picked up. I'm out of breath already and the video just started. So the only thing I know from the Boxycharm that we're getting is the primer, the Touch and Soul primer. So the rest is going to be a surprise. I think there are a lot of variations this time, maybe. So we'll see. We've got our theme this month is Afterglow. Oh yeah, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You guys probably all know what Boxycharm is by now. If you don't, it's a monthly subscription box, $21 a month, and you typically get 5 deluxe size samples, and it's always valued well over $100. Then there's also the Boxy Luxe. So the next Boxy Luxe box will be next month. And I do get the Boxy Luxe. It is $49, I think. And it has, like, I think it's usually over $300 value. So excited to see what's in that box. But if you want to check it out, I will put a link down below. There typically is a free gift with sign up, so I'll mention what that is if there's one right now. Let's go ahead and get into this. I feel like I am always like the last person to get theirs. All right, I want to try to pull out, okay. I wanted to pull out this first because I already knew it. This is the No Pore Blem primer from Touch and Soul. I want to feel this because I've got kind of a, I'm kind of picky with my consistency of primer that I like to use. So, oh, this reminds me a lot of the Smashbox Primerizer. So I may like that because I do like that one. It's almost, but it also has kind of a little bit of a Smashbox regular primer feel. So maybe in between those two, which might actually be really nice because it can be pore filling, but also not so slippery off your face. I'm excited to try that one. That'll be going in the next Shop My Stash for sure. Then the next thing, is this leaking? Maybe it's just wet from being cold. Okay, this is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Well, I do really like the Pharmacy brand. I don't really need a facial cleanser. That seems to be like the big thing that boxes are sending out right now, and I have an overflow of facial cleansers right now. Oh, there's a thing on it so I can't smell it, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. So I'm just going to leave that on, but that is a really good size. That's 3.4 ounces. I'll go over all the prices after I go through what's in the box because I want it to be a surprise. All right, we got the primer inside. Trace-Steak. Oh my, if I get one more dang of these Trace-Steak pencils. Ugh. Prime and Color Lip Glaze in English Rose. So here's the primer. Here's the lip glaze. I'm not using it. This is going in a giveaway. Oh, that's kind of cool how it, watch this. Maybe I'll keep it for the toy of it and use this when I need to relax or something. No, this is probably going in a giveaway. I'm not a super huge fan of this. It's a very dusty rose-ish color, and I am not a big fan of that either. So this is probably just gonna go in a giveaway, and I'm not super excited about that item. Oh yeah, the Better Than Sex mascara, that is going in a giveaway. I have had this before and I don't really think there's any kind of big deal about it. I have tons of mascaras that I like better than this one, so I don't need that. And then the last thing I got is a Pretty Vulgar, oh, the highlighter. I am excited about this. This is in Shimmering Swan. So here it is. I'm going to actually put this on today too. It's pretty. I like that. Now I'm bummed because I definitely saw that coconut bum bum cream was an option for a product you could get. And and I didn't get it. So that is a big bummer. All right, so the mascara is $24 value. The highlighter is $32 value. That Pretty Vulgar stuff is expensive. The Touch and Soul primer is $18. The Pharmacy Clean Bee facial cleanser is $22 for that little thing. And the Tray Steak Prime and Glaze lip crayon is $25. I am really not excited about this box at all, quite frankly. Let's see. So really all I will use out of this is the highlighter and the primer. Maybe I'll end up using the facial cleanser, but I think this may be the first box that for me isn't really worth it. Now, I will say, if this ends up being, this is an ounce, if this ends up working really well and it's very similar to the primerizer, it will be worth it because I was going to repurchase a full size of the primerizer. So, we'll see how this works. That was a $18 value. So then with, you know, the highlighter, using it some, that would make the box worth it. So we'll have to see. I'm excited to put this in my next Shop My Stash. That will probably start in February. I'm just grabbing an eyeshadow brush to try out this highlighter. Yeah, I am really bummed about my box. I'm trying to think of what other things I saw that were samples. Well, there was the Pretty Vulgar bronzer that you could have gotten. That is super pretty. I like that a lot, actually. So my box has an overall value of $121. Now, if these are products that you need or would really like, then this would be a really great value box for me. I don't think I've ever been so disappointed in a box as I am in this box right now, so that's a bummer. I really wanted to get that Bum Bum Cream. And I feel like there was something else I wanted to get to that I can't remember right now. I am glad I got the highlighter because I wanted to try that out. So I would say, I mean, maybe it has a $20 value to me if that primer works really well, but I will let you guys know on that. There was no eyeshadow palette to try out in this video, so this is a pretty quick Boxycharm unboxing. I think you guys have convinced me to get rid of Sephora and Macy's and pick up Allure, but you know, the pull of the subscription box addiction is very strong. So I need to just cancel it, but baby steps, okay? Thank you guys so much for joining me. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm box this month and if you thought it was worth the value or not. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.